Lot number 031 is a 2007 Sterling L7500 garbage truck. This one has a 7.2 liter diesel engine with 51,583 original miles. It's got 14,559 engine hours. The engine sounds good. This truck has been out of service for the past 3 years. The city has kept this truck as a backup truck. This truck still starts up, and it did a route 2 weeks ago. It was out on the road for about 6 days, 2 weeks ago. So this truck starts right up. The engine sounds good, transmission engages, and the whole garbage system back there works. They're getting rid of it because they bought a new truck. All the tires look good. It's got 2 brand new batteries. The batteries are 2 or 3 weeks old. Let me show you around. The body of the AC of the garbage compactor back here has some rust spots. So a lot of it is very solid, but there are some spots that show rust. You see all the way down looks good. All the way up it looks good. The rust is right on this rail. The chassis is solid. I don't see any rust in the bottom. Even the floor on this thing appears to be in good shape. Fuel tanks, everything looks good. It's been running almost an hour. It has not overheated. It idles very smooth. Revs up well. AC does nothing. This is some of the worst rust I saw. This corner back here and the other side right here is the worst of the rust that I see. Everything else looks pretty good. All the walls and everything, the bottom, it all looks pretty good. Let me show you the back. It's in a really tight spot here, and we have no access to move this truck, so we're doing the best we can with the limited space. So back here it does have a couple of tears into the wall. Right there you can see that it has some tears, but we're going to show you that everything back here works. The whole hydraulic system. Here we go. I think they said the one thing that doesn't work is accelerating the truck from back here. That's the one thing that does not work. But as you see, the whole system works as it should. Is. Let me show you the passenger side. Passenger side actually has less rust than the driver's side, but the 2 corners back here are rusty. The rest of the passenger side is solid. There are the tires. They all hold air. They appear to be in good shape. And again, the chassis and the bottom part here appear to be solid. It's a nice running truck. It will need some work, but it appears to be in good shape. door is locked. The body looks good. The paint looks a little faded. Listen to the engine. All right, we gotta go all the way around here. I'll show you the interior. And close the hood and show you the front. The hood appears to be in good shape. It does show some minor little cracks, but no major damage. I'll try and show you inside here. The interior shows normal wear. Passenger seat looks good. The dashboard is badly cracked. Being held together by duct tape. The AC does nothing. Max AC, high, does absolutely nothing. Here are the miles. 51,546. And 14,560 engine hours. Revs up well. Automatic transmission engages. Driver's seat is torn right here on the side, but again, it doesn't look too bad for an old truck. Steering wheel shows wear. The worst of it is the dashboard. Even the headliner is not too bad. It could use a good cleaning. The decals will be removed or painted over. Let me close the hood, show you small cracks I see. Overall, got a couple of little cracks there. Couple little cracks here. It's pretty solid considering the year and all. It does have minor cracks. All right, there it is. Slot number 031. It's a Sterling L7500, 7.2 liter diesel engine, 51,000 original miles. It's lot 031. Good luck.